Hi friends, today we are discussing the fourth chapter, determinants. In the previous lesson, we already learned about matrices and what algebra of matrices. In that chapter, we learned every pair of linear equation can be expressed using what matrices. Like a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equals to c2, a system of linear equation can be expressed as matrix a1 b1 a2 b2 into matrix x y is equal to what? c1 c2. Okay, see, a1 into x plus b1 y equal to what? c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to what? c2. Here the value a1 b2 minus a2 b1. The value a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is what? It's very important. This value determines the uniqueness of the solution. The previous, maybe in the 10th standard you learned, in a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, that is a1 b2 is not equal to what? a2 b1. Otherwise a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is what? Not equal to 0. Then means what? The system has what? A unique solution. That means the value a1 b2 minus a2 b1, the value a1 b2 minus a2 b1 determines the uniqueness of the solution, and this number is related to the matrix A is equal to what? a1 b1 a2 b2 is called what? Determinants of the matrix A. Okay, the value a1 b2 minus a2 b1 determines the uniqueness of the solution of this equation. Okay, and this value related to the matrix is called what? Determinant of the matrix. In this chapter, we are discussing about determinants. This chapter determinants have wide applications, not only in maths, science, economics and what? Social science. In this lesson, mainly we discuss now the points determinants up to order 3. Okay, determinants up to order what? 3. And also we are discuss about now properties of determinants and minors and what? Cofactors and what? Application of determinants in finding what? Area of triangle and also what? Adjoint of a matrix and what? Inverse of a square matrix and also what? Now solution of linear equations. These are the main things discussing what in this chapter. Okay. Welcome back. If A is equal to matrix A, B, C, D, no, it's a square matrix of order 2, then the determinant of A is written as, see, like this. Read, determinant A is equal to what? Determinant A, B, C, D is equal to what? Also we can write what? Det A. Okay. If A is equal to a matrix A, B, C, D, then determinant of this matrix we can write, see, like this. Determinant A is equal to determinant A, B, C, D. Also we can write what? Det A. Remember that only square matrices have determinants. A rectangular matrix does not exist what? Determinants. Only square matrices have what? Determinants. Now, determinant of a matrix of order 1. Determinant of a matrix of order 1. See, let A is equal to a matrix A. See, it is a 1 by 1 matrix. A matrix of order 1. Let A is equal to what? Matrix A. Then, determinant of A. Determinant of this matrix A, we can write what? Determinant A, that's equal to what? A itself. Okay, no change. See, let A is equal to matrix A is a 1 by 1 matrix or a square matrix of order 1, then determinant A is equal to determinant of A, that's equal to what? A itself. Okay, simple concept. Now, determinant of a matrix of order 2. Determinant of a matrix of order 2. See, let A is equal to a matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. It says 2 by 2 matrix, a square matrix of order 2. Then, determinant of A, we can write what? Determinant A is equal to determinant A11, A12, A21, A22. And it is defined as the value is now A11 into A22. Multiply this A11 into A22 minus A21 into what? A12. Okay. Let A is equal to a matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. Then determinant A is equal to determinant of A11, A12, A21, A22. Its value is what? A11 into A22 minus what? A21 into A12. Example you can consider. Let what? A is equal to matrix 2, 1, 0, 3. Suppose A is equal to a square matrix 2, 1, 0, 3. What is DTA? DTA is equal to determinant of 2, 1, 0, 3. That is equal to what is the value? 2 into 3. 2 into 3 minus what? 0 into 1. 0 into 1. That's equal to what? 2 3s are 6 minus 0 into 1 is what? 0. The answer is what? 6 itself. Okay. This is the way to expand what? A determinant of matrix of order 2. Now, determinant of a matrix of order 3. Determinant of a matrix of order 3. Let A is equal to matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is what? A 3 by 3 matrix or a square matrix of order 3. Then determinant of A is equal to determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now, how can we expand this determinant? See, since this is a 3 by 3 matrix, there are 6 ways we can expand this matrix. A 3 by 3 determinants or a determinant of matrix of order 3, we can expand 6 different ways. See, along the first row, along R1, we can expand along the first row. Or we can expand along second row. We can expand what? R2 along second row. Or we can expand what? Along the third row. So we can expand this determinant either along R1, along R2 or what? Along R3. Or also what? No? Along C1, the column wise, along C1 or what? Along C2 or what? Along C3. So there are 6 different ways of what? Expanding a determinant of order 3. Along R1, R2, R3 or what? Along C1, C2 and what? C3. Okay. So first I am going to explain how to expand this along the first row. Along what? The first row. Okay. So that's equal to, see the first element is what? No, A11. So A11. Here no 1 1 no. See, since it is 1 1 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is equal to what? It is equal to 1. Positive 1. So this sign is what? Positive. Plus 1 here is positive. So A11 into A11 into A11 into delete that row and column A11 involves. A11 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോയും കോളവും ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. The remaining determinants is what? A22, A23, A32 and what? A33. Okay. A11 into deleting that row and that column. The remaining determinants. Okay. Next is what? Second word A12. Okay. A12. Here is no A12. So it is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Since it is A12 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 is what? Minus 1 raised to 3. The answer is what? Negative 1. So the sign is what? Negative minus. So A12 into what no? A12 into deleting the first row and second column. A12 lies. A12 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോയും കോളവും delete. But remaining A21, A23, A21, A23 and what? A31 and what? A33. Again, but third one is A13. Since it is 1, 3, what is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3? That's equal to minus 1 raised to 4 is equal to what? 1. Positive 1. So plus A13 into deleting the first row and what? Third column. Deleting the row and column in which A13 lies. A13 ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റോയും കോളവും ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. The remaining is what? A21, A22 and what? A31, A32. Okay. Now we can expand. So A11 into this we can expand by cross multiply. This also we can expand. We'll get what? So this is a way to expand a determinant of matrix of order 3 along the first row. When expanding along the first row, the first term is positive, second term is negative, third term is positive. First term is positive, second term is negative, third term is what? Positive. If you expand along the second row, see A21 into, here 21 no, so it is sign is what? Negative. A22 sign is what? Positive. A23 sign is what? Again negative. And if you expand along the third row, A31 it is positive, and what? 32 become what? Negative. This become what? Positive. So these are the sign if you expand a matrix of order 3, determinant of order 3. See, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. If you expand the first row, it is positive, negative and positive. In second row, it is negative, positive and negative. In third row, it is what? Positive, negative and what? Positive. If you expand along the first column, positive, negative, positive. Second column, negative, positive, negative. And third column is what? Positive, negative, positive. Okay. Now consider an example. See, evaluate. See, delta. See, remember that we also use delta for what? Representing a determinant. So delta is equal to determinant 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. Okay, this is what? A determinant of order what? 3. How can you expand this? Now we are expand this along the first row. The first element is what? 3. So 3 into deleting that row and that column. What is the remaining? 1, 3, 5, 4. 1, 3, 5, 4. Okay. Now minus, the first one is positive, second one is what? Negative. Minus 1 into deleting the first row and what? Second column. What is remaining? 1, 3 and what? 2, 4. 1, 3 and what? 2, 4. Now third one is what? Positive, plus 2. See, first one is positive, second one is negative, third one is again positive. Plus 2 into deleting the first row and what? Third column. What is remaining? 1, 1, 2, 5. 1, 1, 2, 5. Okay. Now that's equal to 3 into, we can expand this. So 2 by 2 now. So 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is what? 4 minus 5 3s are 15. Again minus 1 into 4, 4 minus what? 2 into 3 is what? 6 plus what? 2 into 1 into 5 is 5 minus what? 2 into 1 is 2. Okay. That's equal to 3 into, what is 5 minus 4 minus 15? 4 minus 15 is minus 11 minus 1 into, what is 4 minus 6? It is minus 2 plus what? 2 into, what is 5 minus 2? 2 into 3. Okay. So 3 into minus 11 is what? Minus 33. Minus 1 into minus 2 is what? Plus 2. 2 into 3 is what? 6. That's equal to minus 33 plus 2 plus 6. Okay. What is minus 33 plus 2? Become minus 31 plus 6 is equal to what? Minus 25. So the value of this determinant is what? Minus 25. Delta is equal to what? Minus 25. Now, another example. Let delta is equal to determinant 1, 2, 4 minus 1, 3, 0, 4, 1, 0. Okay. So, to get the value of this, we can expand what? Either the first row or second row or third row. Okay, but now I just expand this along the third column. Along the third column. See, first element is what? 4. 4 into, see, 4 into, deleting that row and that column, what's remaining? Minus 1, 3, 4, 1. Minus 1, 3, 4, 1. See, the first sign is what? Positive. So it is positive. The second sign is what? Negative. So minus. But second element 0. 0 into. See, 0 into, deleting the second row and this third column, what's remaining? 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1. Okay. Now what? Again positive. So plus again is what? 0. 0 into, deleting the third row and this third column, what's remaining? 1, 2, minus 1, 3. 1, 2, minus 1, 3. So here that's equal to 4 into minus 1, 3, 4, 1. So minus 1 into 1 is what? Minus 1. Minus 4 3s are what? 12. See, 0 into, this becomes 0. This also becomes what? 0. That's equal to minus 1 minus 12 is what? Minus 13. So 4 into minus 13, that's equal to what? Minus 52. We got the answer very easily now. Here, see, 2 zeros are here. So expanding this determinant along the third column is more easier. Okay, we can expand this determinant along first row or along second row, along third row or along first column, second column or third column. But which is more easier now? The third row, because the third row contains 2 zeros. Third row contains 2 zeros. This becomes 0. This becomes what? 0. Only what? This. Very simple. So remember that when you expand a determinant, which row or column contains maximum 0, along that row or column what? We can expand. Okay. So the row or column containing maximum zeros, along that row or column what? We can what? Expand a determinant. We shall expand a determinant along the row or column which contain what? Maximum 0 is more easier. Okay. Now, let A is equal to matrix 2, 2, 4, 0 and B is equal to matrix what? 1, 1, 2, 0. See, both are 2 by 2 matrices. So, what is DTA? Determinant A is equal to determinant 2, 2, 4, 0, that is equal to 2 into 0, 0 minus 2 into 4, 8 is equal to what? Minus 8. Okay. Determinant A is equal to what? Minus 8. Similarly, determinant B is equal to what? Determinant 1, 1, 2, 0, that is equal to 1 into 0 is equal to 0 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 2 is equal to what? Minus 2. Okay. So the value of determinant A is minus 8 and value of determinant B is what? Minus 2. See, what is the relation between the matrix A and B? The relation between matrix A and B is the matrix A is equal to 2 times B. See, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 0 are 0. Okay. So, A is equal to what? 2 times B. Now, determinant A is equal to what? Minus 8. Minus 8 is equal to 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2. So, that's equal to, this 4 we can write now 2 square. And what is minus 2? That is d to b. So, d to b. So, determinant A is equal to 2 square into what? D to b. See, these 2 coming from what now? A is equal to what? 2 times b. Now, if A is equal to suppose 3b, if A is equal to 3b, then what is dTA? dTA is equal to what? 3 square into what? D to b. Okay, if A is equal to 3 times b, then dTA is equal to 3 square into what? D to b. So generally, if A is equal to what? If A is equal to K times B, if A is equal to K times B, then determinant A is equal to what? K raised to N into det B. So what is N? N is the order of the matrix A and B. So if A and B are square matrices of order N, okay, if A and B are square matrices of order N and A is equal to K times B, then det A is equal to what? K raised to N into B. It's a very important result. Okay. If A is equal to K times a matrix B, where K is a constant, a scalar quantity, and N is the order of the matrix A and B, then what? Det A is equal to what? K raised to N into det B. Okay. From this example, you can understand this. Okay. We consider a problem. See, evaluate delta is equal to determinant 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha minus sin alpha 0 sin beta cos alpha minus sin beta 0. Okay. We have to find the value of this determinant. See, delta is equal to, we can expand along the first row, first 0 into deleting the first row and first column, what is remaining? 0 sin beta minus sin beta 0, then what? Minus, second element is what? Sin alpha. So sin alpha into, deleting that row and column, we get what? Minus sin alpha sin beta cos alpha and what? 0. And third term is what here? Minus is here, so minus cos alpha into what? Deleting that row and this column, we get what? Minus sin alpha 0 and what? Cos alpha minus sin beta. Cos alpha minus sin beta. Okay, that's equal to. Here 0 into, so this become what? 0, the whole thing become what? 0 minus sin alpha into. Okay. Determinant minus sin alpha sin beta cos alpha 0. Cross multiply, this into this become what? 0 minus cos alpha into sin beta is what? Cos alpha sin beta. Okay. Again minus cos alpha into minus sin alpha into minus sin beta become what? Minus and minus become plus sin alpha sin beta minus 0 into this become what? 0. Okay. That's equal to, multiply here, minus, and here again minus become plus sin alpha cos alpha sin beta sin alpha cos alpha sin beta minus cos alpha sin beta cos alpha sin beta. See, that's equal to, see a sin alpha, here also what? Sin alpha is here, cos alpha and sin beta. So same term, okay. Sin alpha, cos alpha, sin beta minus cos alpha, sin become what? Answer is what? 0. Okay. Now next problem. Find the value of x for which determinant 3x x1 is equal to what? Determinant 3 2 4 1. Okay. A simple question. We have to find the value of x given that these two determinants are what? Equal. Okay. So just expand this. Determinant 3x x1 we can expand. 3 into 1 is what? 3 minus x into x is what? X square is equal to. Determinant here 3 into 1 is what? 3 minus 4 2s are what? 8. Okay. So we got 3 minus x square is equal to what? 3 minus 8. 3 will cancel on both sides. Again minus also get cancelled. So x square is equal to what? 8. And x is equal to what? Square root of 8. Square root of 8 we can write what? Plus or minus 2 root 2. Plus or minus 2. The value of x is what? Plus or minus 2 root 2. Now we can discuss another question. If A is equal to matrix 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4, then show that determinant 3A is equal to 27 into determinant A. Okay. Determinant 3A is equal to 27 into what? Determinant. See, here a matrix is given, A. This matrix is a special matrix. What is specialty here now? These three elements are 0. See, these three elements are 0. This is the diagonal elements. Okay. So, if these three elements are 0, it is called an upper triangular matrix. It is called what? An upper triangular matrix. So, if a matrix is upper triangular, to find the determinant is easy way, no? Just multiply the diagonal elements. 1 into 1 into 4. 4 is the value of the determinant. Okay. Remember that if a matrix is upper triangular means these three elements are what? 0. Then the value of determinant is what? The product of the diagonal elements. Okay. We got what? It is 4. Now, what is 3a? See, 3 times a is equal to, this is a matrix A. So, what is 3a? 3 into 1 is what? 3, 0 and 3, 0, 3 and what? 6, 0, 0 and what? 12. This is what? Matrix 3a. So, what is determinant 3a? Determinant 3a is equal to, this is also what? An upper triangular matrix. So, determinant is equal to what? 3 into 3 into 12. 3 into 3 into what? 12. Product of the diagonal elements. See, 3 3s are 9. 9 12s are what? 108. So, determinant of 3a is equal to what? 108. This 108 we can write 27 into 4. Okay. 27s are 108. That's equal to 27 into. See, what is 4? 4 is equal to what? Determinant A. So, 27 times what? Determinant A. That is, determinant of 3a is equal to what? 27 times determinant. That is they has to what? Prove. Okay. Determinant of 3a is equal to 27 times determinant